Welcome to Auto Fusion, the channel where the past and future of automotive design come together. If you're a fan of classic-inspired modern cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, because today we've got something truly special lined up for you. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is finally here, and it's a bold reimagining of one of the most iconic cars from VW's golden era. Originally launched in the 1950s, the Karmann Ghia was known for its elegant design, Italian curves, and the simplicity of the Beetle underneath. Fast forward to 2025 and Volkswagen has brought it back with a futuristic twist that honors the past while embracing modern electric technology. This new Karmann Ghia isn't just a tribute car, it's a full-blown electric coupe built on VW's MEB platform, the same one that underpins the ID series. But unlike the ID lineup, which leans more toward futuristic minimalism, the Karmann Ghia blends retro charm with contemporary performance. From the outside, the car keeps that low-slung coupe profile with the signature smooth, flowing lines that made the original a design icon. The rounded headlights are back, now fully LED, and the VW badge on the nose is illuminated. Chrome accents around the windows and bumpers give it a classic touch, while the flush door handles and 20-inch aero wheels remind you this is a 2025 machine. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, we've got a dual-motor setup pushing out around 300 horsepower, giving it a 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds. The range? Expect up to 350 miles on a full charge, thanks to VW's upgraded battery tech. Inside the Karmann Ghia is where the nostalgia really hits. The dash features a retro-inspired layout with modern tech seamlessly integrated. A digital driver's display sits behind a vintage-style steering wheel, and the infotainment screen is designed to blend in rather than dominate. The seats are wrapped in eco-leather with stitching that echoes the design of the original. One thing that really stands out is how driver-focused this car is. It doesn't try to be a family EV or an SUV. It's a personal coupe meant for pure enjoyment. And with selectable drive modes, customizable ambient lighting, and a low center of gravity, this car feels just as good in the corners as it looks on the driveway. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is expected to be priced competitively, starting around $45,000. Volkswagen is clearly targeting enthusiasts who want style, performance, and sustainability in one package. And judging by the early reactions, this modern classic could very well carve out a niche of its own. So what do you think? Has Volkswagen nailed the balance between old-school soul and modern electric power? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Fusion for more deep dives into the newest and most exciting cars on the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.